Here is my foil. I'd already marinated my chicken. It is for 1 hour. So I'm going to place my pieces onto the foil. This is one chicken. I'm just placing the whole of it. And then I add in my potato wedges as usual on the sides. It's ready. I'll now add another foil on top. I'll cover this. And then put it in the oven. We add a bit of ketchup. I'm using this. Here is our final product. There you go. And we're going to take it with some salad.